Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sarah and this is my channel. Today I'll be watching, as you can see by the title, obviously, I'll be watching XG Puppet Show, the 4K on Studio Choom. I'm really excited because I love XG. Their new album, oh my god, the new song Puppet Show is amazing. If you didn't see that video, it's on my page, so if you want to go watch it, go ahead, and it'll be up in one of these corners. Just I don't know which one. But before we get into that, I would like to say, I don't know why I'm leaning like that. I would like to say that you guys should add me on my Instagram. I'll be over here on my Instagram. There's a link in my bio that you can click to add all my other social medias. And yeah, like TikTok. On TikTok I have been making edits, so if you want to see edits, go ahead over there and watch the edits. Maybe follow me. I don't know, but I don't really have anything else to say other than let's get into this video because I'm excited. I just want to see them dance, bro. Maya, you're killing me.
It's time I get what I deserve. Act like you don't know what I'm worth. We spend a lot of time talking, but it feels like I'm never heard.
That was you singing?
Before you try to take me out.
I love these things because it actually shows like whose part is whose. I know their voices, I just didn't think that was her. I don't know why not. Maybe I forgot. I don't know. You ran the thing on your ear. It's so cool. Oh, Haneda. Stop. I already have a bias. You guys can't take me. Maya is my bias. Y'all are like really killing me. That thing on your head is so cool. You're so mature now. Oh.
Don't like the look of this picture. Or you think that I'm in love with you? Ha ha. Cry me a river. That you was lit to leave the true extra. I'ma go in my way. Ain't apologetic. I'ma cut you off like evolution with it. I'm in control.
Yeah, I know all the words. I knew it like the second day I listened to it. Because I literally listen to it every day. I mean, every second of the day. You and Haneda kind of sound alike. But her voice is a little deeper than you. Oh, I love Harvey. What was that face for? No, go back. What was that face for? Look at it. It's so cute. Y'all is tearing this dance up. Maya, stop. You always got this little circle thing. Circle choreography. And this. I'm not supposed to be looking at you. Can I just go back just a little? Can we just look at Maya for me? Oh snap! And I'm kind of covering her. Hold on. You just go. Oh! Wait. Hold on. I'm sorry. Maya, you're killing me. So is Juria. Me and Juria are the same age. Maya is younger than me. I just love her vibe and the way she is, bro. Dread. Y'all. I just want, let me pause that real quick. Hold on. I just want to go back real quick. Just right. Is it here? Oh, I didn't mean to make that. I didn't mean to get that face. No. Alright. Let's see what it pulls up. I'm kind of messing with my screen right now. Maya. I didn't mean that. I'm so sorry. There you go. That, I guess that'll be the one. But I love this song. It's so amazing. My hair is sticking out of my ponytail. But I love this song. It's really, really amazing. Boy, I literally listen to it every day. Every day, all day. This is what I listen to when I record. Or like, not record, when I do like videos or I'm editing videos, or like when I'm doing my homework. Yeah, it's amazing. It helps me get my work done. But I really have nothing other to say other than Maya's very pretty. Everybody else in here is very pretty. Oh my god. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. So bye.